Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Techwheel, and in this video or episode, excuse me, I'm going to explain you how I solved this question. Winter is coming, which was asked on lead code starters, Codechef Starters 2021, and the question is winter is coming. So the question basically says Safe feels comfortable depending on the temperature and whether or not he's wearing a jacket. Safe feels comfortable without a jacket if and only if the temperature is greater than or equal to A. Safe feels comfortable with a jacket if and only if the temperature is less than or equal to B. It is guaranteed that A is less than or equal to B, and Safe is not wearing a jacket initially. You are given temperature Ti for the next n days. Safe can choose to wear or remove his jacket any number of times, but each time he puts on the jacket is counted as one action. Find the minimum number of times Safe needs to wear a jacket so that he feels comfortable on all n days. So here basically input format is given and his output format is given, and the constraints are and the test cases are also given. So uh, the test case is n is equal to 5, is equal to 20, is equal to temperature is given. So uh, imagine this question as, suppose imagine a case, suppose you initially you are not wearing a jacket, and if the temperature is a point below which if the temperature comes you will start feeling cold. That means if what will happen if someone feels cold, he must wear a jacket. Same case applies here also. If so suppose initially I am without a jacket, and if the temperature is greater than equal to A, that means I need to wear a jacket. Means if the temperature is below some certain temperature, that means I need to wear a jacket. So that just simply says. And imagine a case when I am not wearing any jacket, sorry, I am wearing a jacket, and if I am wearing a jacket and if the temperature is B, which is more if the imagine like this, suppose I am without a jacket, and if the temperature is B, suppose B is like 20 degrees Celsius, and if the temperature, if I am wearing jacket and that if temperature goes beyond 20, that means I will start, I am wearing jacket, and if the temperature is already high, that is 20, and if the temperature goes up above the 20, that means I need to remove the jacket so that I remain comfortable. And in this case also we need to ensure that I feel comfortable in each day. So you can see this test case, that is 15, which is less than 20. So Safe must initially the Safe is not wearing any jacket and the temperature is less than A, that is the Safe is feeling cold. That means he need to wear a jacket so that he feels comfortable. That's why. And also ensure that we have to count one, we have to increment the count each time the Safe wears the jacket. So since this time Safe is wearing this jacket, so the count is 1, and the second is 25. That is in the day 2, the 25 lies in A and B. That is let me show you example. Suppose this is uh, suppose this is where this test case, suppose this is the test case which is given in the test case given in the exam. So initially I am not wearing any jacket, and since this temperature is all, and A is my 20 and B is 30, since this 15 is already less than A, that means the temperature is cold. The temperature is cold, the uh, Safe must be feeling cold, so he will wear this jacket. WJ means without jacket, and he need to wear this jacket. Suppose I wear the jacket and J is here, and now the temperature is 25, which is in the range 20 and 30. It is greater than I am wearing this jacket and the temperature is greater than A. Suppose I'm wearing this jacket, or this say, suppose I'm wearing this jacket, and if the temperature is greater than equal to A, sorry, uh, wearing a jacket and temperature is less than B. Because because in the question it is given that if with a jacket and the temperature less than equal to B. So this we will check this one because this condition is getting satisfied, so we will check this one now. So yeah, it is less than, so we will so it's so it will so the safe will feel comfortable this time also. And since the safe is feeling comfortable, he will move to the next day, that is 35. This is 35. And here also he is wearing this jacket and the temperature is 35, that is 35 which is greater than B, because whenever we are wearing jacket we need to check this condition, that is whether this is greater than equal to B or not. According to that we will remove the jacket if it is greater. So here 35 is greater than equal to B, that means I am feeling cold, sorry, I am feeling hot. That 30 is already hotter temperature, and if the temperature goes beyond 30, that is even more hotter. So what I will do, I will remove my jacket. So again I come to without jacket, and without jacket, uh, and when I am without jacket, then I will check uh, whether I am lesser than equal to A or not. So this 28 is all greater than equal to A. That means I can live without jacket, because below 20 I will feel cold, and below above 20 I will feel hotter, and in the hotter I don't need to wear a jacket, so I will continue without jacket. Got it? And one more thing here, uh, and one more thing here, I am wearing jacket. Okay, I will count it later, I will show you later. I am wearing jacket two times. One time, first I am wearing jacket two times, one time here and one time here. Please don't consider this as I am continuing from this one also only. I am continuing from this day only. So we will not increment this wear jacket, so we will not increment the count here, we will increment the count here two times only. uh, since 28 since 28 was greater than equal to A, that means I am feeling hot, so I don't need to wear jacket anymore, so I will continue with the without jacket. So again it is 10, and this 10 is, since I am without jacket, then I will check am as the temperature is lesser than A, that is yes, that means I will feel cold. I will feel cold because the temperature 20 is already minimum temperature, and if I come below 20 I will start feeling cold, and if I will go 20 then I can continue without jacket. So this the basically saying. So I will now wear the jacket next time. No, this time we will not count this. Sorry, we will count this time, because I am without jacket, and this time I have to wear jacket because this is less than A. Sorry, this time not. Sorry. So the answer will be 2. So the thing is that you have to that you have to think is, uh, if the temperature is, if I am starting without jacket and if the temperature is A, that means I am feeling hot, then I can continue without jacket. So if the temperature is even A, even, so if the temperature is greater than equal to A and even greater than B, then the Suppose let's take another test case, and in this test case let's take initially that this 25 is greater than equal to a, uh, greater than a, and now see, if temperature is greater than equal to a and even greater than b, and I am not wearing jacket, that means I don't have to remove the jacket because I am already greater than equal to a. Okay. Let's take this test case. Suppose if the temperature is greater than a also and b also, and I am without jacket. So if the temperature is greater than a, I am not wearing jacket. Then how can I wear a jacket if the temperature is even greater than b? So in either cases, we will continue without jacket, and I will be. Okay. So we can observe that whenever the temperature is in the range 20 and 30, we are continuing whatever uh, we are wearing. If suppose if I am wearing this jacket, I am without jacket, and if the temperature lies in the range this range, then we are continuing this. So we are continuing with whatever we had, and if the temperature is less than a, that means uh, if I suppose if the temperature is less than a and if I am without jacket, that means I need to wear jacket. So this case will be hit. Okay. uh, One more thing to keep in mind, one more thing that I need to check is, sorry, let's if you don't understood till now, then uh, let's understand in this way. Suppose if the temperature, I have also explained this day, because if the temperature is greater than a and I'm without jacket, then it if the temperature is greater than a also and b also and I am without jacket, that means I will continue without jacket, because since this even 20 is the, since if I go beyond 20 I am feeling hot, then uh, I am at 20 45, then I will also be feeling hot, so I will continue without jacket. Got it? And if I am here without jacket and if the temperature is less than a, which means it is even lesser than b, that means I need to wear this jacket. I wear this jacket and I am with jacket here. So this is 35, which is even greater than b, that means it is also greater than a. That means in this case you can see that if I am with jacket and the temperature is less than equal to b, then only I will feel comfortable, but here this is not the case, so I will again be without jacket. I will remove this jacket because the I will feel cold as this temperature is b. So suppose, so take this a as the minimum temperature and take this b as maximum temperature. And it's a kind of little bit of common sense that if the temperature comes minimum lesser than minimum, then I need to wear jacket, and if I am already wearing jacket, then I don't need to remove this. And if I am with jacket and if the temperature goes beyond this temperature, that means to I need to remove the jacket. And if I am with jacket and if it's greater than A, what will happen then? In that case, if I am with jacket and it's getting mess up, man. I hope you got what I'm trying to say. If the temperature is in this range, let's take this one as let's understand from this point. Suppose the temperature is okay, then how I should explain that you get crystal clear or understanding. Now what I do. mm, okay, let's see like this. if if the temperature is in the if I am without jacket and if the temperature is uh, if I am without jacket and if the temperature is less than A, that means I will start feel cold, so I will wear this jacket. And if the temperature is greater than A, and less than B, then I can continue. And if I am without jacket and if temperature is greater than equal to A also and B also, then I can continue. No, if the I'm without jacket and the temperature is greater than A and greater than B also, then I can continue. Okay, fine. If I am without jacket and if the temperature lies uh, in this range, then also I can continue. And if I am with jacket and if the temperature is less than B, then I can comfortable. I can. And if I'm without jacket and if the temperature is in this range, then also I can continue. And if if I'm without jacket and if I am with jacket, then if the temperature is even lesser than A, then also I can continue. Because below A I will feel cold, and since I am wearing jacket, so no need to change it. So yeah, got it. So basically you have to think of the two test three cases. Basically one case is if the temperature lies in this range, that means whatever I am wearing I will continue with the whatever I have wear right now. And if and rest two cases that you have to think of is that is given. That is if the temperature is less than A and if the temperature is less than A and I am without jacket, that means I need to wear jacket. So we will what we will do, we will wear this jacket. And if I am with jacket and if the temperature is less than uh, or equal to B, if I'm with jacket and if the temperature is greater than equal to, take at suppose take like this, if the temperature, so you have to basically think of like you have to think of three cases. That is case 1, Case 1 will be in the range, if the temperature is in the range A and B. In this case whatever we are wearing, we will continue with that only. And case 2 will be if the suppose if I am not wearing jacket, if jacket is equal to false, if jacket is equal to false, and if the temperature is if I am without jacket, false means without jacket, and if the temperature is less than equal to A, that means I will be feeling cold, so I need to wear jacket. So make jacket is equal to true, and count increment the count as I am wearing this jacket. And the case 3 will be suppose if the temperature is, if I am with jacket is equal to true, and if the temperature is greater than equal to B. If I am wearing jacket and temperature is greater than B, that is my maximum, it is B is already hotter, and if the temperature goes beyond this B temperature, then I need to remove the jacket, then jacket is equal to then make jacket is equal to false. So basically you have to think of this three cases only, and here is the solution that I wrote for this question. First I taken the input A, B, and then vector array of temperature, and then I initialize this jacket is initially false, considering that initially I am not wearing jacket since in this question it is given, and count is equal to 0, and I iterated each day, and first I checked is the temperature is in the range. If that's the case, then I should be continuing whatever I have, and if the temperature is lesser than A, if the temperature is already lesser than A and I am not wearing jacket, that means I need to wear jacket, so make jacket equal to true and count plus plus. Else if the temperature is greater than equal to B and jacket is equal to true, jacket is equal to false, and it will do your job. I hope I am able to make you understand this question. If not, feel free to watch others lecture. Thank you.